Okay, here's the Mod V. Went through some major changes here. Alright. I've added another 1446 to it. Changed this out. Changed out the pill strips. Changed out the pills. He had a bad imbalance going on. One of these Toshibas was bad. They glued the pill strips down to the board. I barely got these 3 pills out. One of them just got destroyed. So anyway, I've changed everything. I had a bad imbalance. Called the customer. Customer said, well, let's do this. So we did it. Now we are good to go. We have no more imbalances. I put 4 HGs in it. 13.8 volts. Here's the power now. Audio, hello, break, 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 break. Now, with Toshiba's in there, and I'm even at 3 and 3 turns, okay? With the Toshiba's in there, I could not even get, barely get 750, 800, 16 volts. I would get 900. Okay, 13.8. Let's turn it up just 14.5 because that's what this car's running. Let's just turn it up to 15. See what it's doing here. Audio, hello, break, break. Now I'm thinking that if I take a turn out of it, it is going to take it. And if I take a turn out of it, it's going to do a little better. But I do have 3 and 3, but I'm tired right now, so that's 14.8 volts. Hello, audio, break, 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 break. Hello, audio, break, break. I think that's plenty. I may pop a turn out here because usually I got a turn popped out of there anyway. I'm gonna say 73 to y'all. Y'all take care. Mr. Lewis, we got you good to go, man. I'm going inside. Y'all know who it is. It's the cat. Cat Dad, I'm going inside. Bye, y'all. 73s. V-Mob, blow smoke now, and I'm gone.